My name is Enid, and this is my team. We are undergraduates of University of Moratu from IT faculty. We have found a solution for a problem in the medical field. Our problem is medication non-adherence. Medication non-adherence refers to unintentionally failing or skipping to take medicines as prescribed by physician. So this happens for several reasons, and one reason is too many medications. This is a situation when a patient has to get treatments for multiple illnesses. Sometimes he might have to get treatments for 3 or 4 illnesses, and in that case he have to take maybe more than 10 pills for a particular day. So in such a situation he might mistake medications. And the other one is forgetfulness. This is common in children and also old people. People tend to forget. And the other reason is busy schedule. People who are having a hectic lifestyle and tight schedules, although they know they have to take medicines, they can't help it because of their schedules. So the result is a very bad result. Your treatment will fail. You won't recover at the expected time, and you have to restart the treatments, and it will cost you more money for the medications, and sometimes you might die. So this is our solution, MedMind application. Through this application, you can schedule your medication by entering the illness name, and you can schedule the time periods for that particular illness. Then likewise, you can add so many treatments for different kinds of medications, and you will get an in-app notification at these schedules. Before that, when we are signing up to this app, you have to enter the Guardian's telephone number. I will explain you why we add this Guardian's telephone number. Guardian means the person who is taking care of you. That might be your parent or a friend, or likewise. And at your schedule, you will get an in-app notification like this. Then you have to tap this mark down. If you do not tap mark down, your guardian will get a SMS notification, because we have used this SMS API. He will get a message like this: patient did not take medications for diabetes in the evening. We have tested this using a simulator, and we have added another feature. This is a reminder. Suppose sometimes your doctor might ask you to come and visit him after 2 weeks starting medication. So you can set a reminder for that date. And when we are creating an account to this app, you have to enter your telephone mobile number for the OTP verification. We have used this OTP API. And another special feature is this emergency button. In the home screen, we have added this feature. A patient may face emergency situations unexpectedly. In such situation, he can press this button, and we have used this LBS API. So when he presses this button, automatically his current location will be sent to his guardian's phone number through an SMS. So we are not going to give all these features for free. Only the scheduling feature and in-app notifications will be given freely. And to get these SMS alerts and location-based services, you have to subscribe to this premium subscription. We have used this charging as service, and also you can unsubscribe if you want to unsubscribe from these services. So these are the APIs we are going to use for this app. Now I invite Netmin to present the application.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yep, we can.
Okay, this is our app. This is our app MedMind. This is our login screen. As you are a new user, you can sign up this screen, and as Anit said, you can have to fill those information, guardian, your personal details like mobile number, username, like that, and also you have to fill guardians information and their telephone numbers. We have to add 2 guardians, and after you sign up, you can easily log in with this screen, and after you log in, you will redirect to this our home screen. This is our main screen, and here you can see our emergency button. If you are in trouble, you can press this emergency button, and then your location will send to your guardian as an SMS. So let me go to add illness page. So this is our add illness page. Here you can add your illnesses. So let me add some illness. So, and you can schedule your time you prefer to take your medicine. Like that, you can add your preferred time to take medicine, and then you can press this OK button to add this to your list. This, as you can see, this is your medicine list. This is the screen, and you can see the enough notification here, and and here you can see all the illnesses you currently taking medicine, and you can see the times you prepared, and in these times you will get an enough notification. We schedule that, and after you finish your treatment, you can easily delete this from this list by clicking this delete button. Let me.
Sorry to interrupt, Nathan. I think the time's up. Okay, let's move on to the Q&A session.
Okay, this is finished. Thank you for